Hello friends, welcome to TechnoGeek SFDC. So as you all are aware that Windows 24 is nearby, and while I was going through the preview orgs, I came across one of the very interesting features which are coming in the Winter 24. Okay, and this was a lacking feature from a long time in the Lightning flows, where in a record triggered flow, we were not able to set up a custom error message. So similar to add error in Apex triggers, now a custom error functionality has also been introduced into the Lightning flows from Winter 24. So we will see how it's going to look like. I have logged in into my preview org, so the same concept will also come into your sandboxes once these features are live after the releases. So here I can just create a new flow and I will select a record triggered flow. So for one more change you can notice here that earlier this side panel where you configure the select objects and other stuff like trigger configuration and all used to come up as a pop-up, but now they have kept it on the side panel so that it's easier to make the changes and it's easier to compare. So let's say I'll select an object called account here, and I'll just put like when a record is created, you can use anything. And entry criteria, I'm not going to put anything. I'll just put a fast field update. Okay, yeah, and I'm going to save this. Now let's say I'll give a demo account trigger. Okay, and I just saved it. So here next what I'm going to do is I will be using a decision element. Okay, and so first we will see what all the fields are mandatory in the account, and accordingly we can just select any of the fields, and we can put our conditions accordingly. So here I'll just click on new, and we'll try to see what all fields we have in option. Okay, so we have rating. Okay, okay, so I'll just put a validation on rating that it has to be cold always and it will not be hot and warm. Okay, so check for rating. I'll just remove this. I'll put it, yeah, rating is cold, and then I'll check for the account rating equals cold. Okay, now I'll put this. So if the rating is cold, nothing should happen. If rating is not cold, then we will be using a custom error. This is the new functionality which has came up as a Winter 24 preview org. Okay, so we will just give label here as a demo error. So where you want to basically show the error message, basically on the bottom of the complete pop-up of new account, or whether you want to show under that particular field. Okay, so now if I see select as an inline error, then you need to select which field under that you want to show the error. So I'll just use account here. Okay, and then what will be the error message? Okay, so I'll just put error message as you cannot select anything else apart from cold. Okay, and I'll just click on save. Now if you see, all your configurations are coming in the side panel, so this is also very interesting that you don't need to always close the pop-up and then go ahead to the next. Instead, on the side panel you will be seeing all the configuration, so you can do it from the side panel. Okay, and now I'm going to activate this. Now my flow is activated. Now let me quickly create a new account and I'll show you how this new feature is going to help you. So now as soon as I click on new, and I'll just keep like demo account, and rating if I select here as, let's say, hot. Okay, and I try to save this. See, I got an error message stating that you cannot select anything apart from cold on account rating. Okay, so this is the new feature which has come in, and this is how it's going to work. The custom error, which was very much lacking from the long time. So it is similar to add errors what we have in our Apex triggers. So this feature is a kind of it is kind of add errors in lightning flows. Okay, so I hope you got an idea of how this is going to work. I'll also be exploring further in the same preview sandbox, and if I get anything else, I'll definitely come to you and I'll showcase you what new features are coming in winter 24. So with this, we will wrap up today's video. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.